If your hotel offers airport pickup to your guest, then this video is for you. In this video, we will explore some best practices to ensure your guests have a great experience from the airport to your hotel. The service begins even before the guest lands at the airport. Be proactive and send the chauffeur details to the guest as a message. This will help the guest locate the chauffeur. These days, due to security risks, many hotels do not write the guest's name on the placard. But in case your hotel offers a personalized placard, make sure the guest's name is correct and the person is standing in an area that is easy to find.
Hi, I am the airport representative for the hotel. And let me tell you a few things that I make sure of before we pick up the guest. First off, the chauffeur reports to me once they reach the airport. I make sure the guest details are correct on the placard. Then I quickly check the car and make sure it is clean. I also make sure the seat belts are working. The car should have all the items as per the brand standard. In my hotel, we keep some reading materials like a newspaper, a magazine, and a selection of music. We also have cold water and cold towel. Good evening, I am Ashok from Hotel Shoreline. Welcome to the city. Let me help you with your luggage.
First, make sure your guests can easily identify your pickup representative. A clear and visible sign can help them find you easily.
Thank you for meeting me, Ashok. The sign was very helpful.
You are welcome. Have a comfortable journey and stay with us at the hotel.
Once the guest is settled in the car, I offer the guest some refreshments like cold water.
It's important to make sure guests feel comfortable during the ride. This includes the temperature, the music, and any other needs they might have.
Is this temperature okay for you? We also have a selection of music. Just let me know if you'd like to listen to anything specific.
Finally, don't forget to inform guests about expected arrival time. If possible, have someone at the hotel ready to welcome them.
We will reach the hotel in 30 minutes, depending on traffic. You will find a menu card in the back in case you would like to order something from the hotel. The car also has free Wi-Fi that you can connect to. Once I am about to reach the hotel, I call the duty manager and let them know that I am nearby so that they can come to receive the guest.
In this video from Hoteltutor.com, we only covered some basics of how to handle guest pickup requests. Your hotel may have different standards, so do check with your manager about the exact standards. But cleanliness, hygiene, and courtesy to the guest should be a common feature. See you in the next video. Welcome to the hotel. We're glad you're here.